Okay, so we're doing a little bit more cleanup out of the bottom of the buckets and the horse troughs and stuff. There's always a bunch of leftover material underneath there where historically I found gold in the past. So I always take the time to crush what needs to be crushed, run what needs to be run, so that we don't toss any gold out in the pasture. And I did speed this video up. Most of it's 1.5 times, just for time's sake, just so it's not quite so long. But that's what we're doing. That's the material we're going to be running. Now we're to the Dream Mat 42-inch clean out sluice. I am doing the audio indoors because it's so windy here in West Texas today. But of course this run was much more. I cut most of it out just because you guys have seen me run this machine quite a few times now. But anyways, we go through all this just to make sure we're not throwing anything away. And the Dream Mat does a magnificent job of catching anything if there's anything left. And so we'll see if we got anything here at the end. So in this part of the process, we're just doing a good job of cleaning the mat out. That mat does a really good job of capturing things. So you want to get a good bend on it to release that material out of those cells and make sure that nothing else is stuck in the mat. So this is the small mat. This is what's going to catch the really fine stuff. Then we're going to just grab the piece that holds that mat down because it accumulates material in it as well. Here's the larger mat, which will capture the bigger stuff. Same design, just a larger cell and a larger swirl, so that the bigger material will stop and rest in this mat. And same thing, do a good job cleaning it out because it will stick to it. Here's the piece that holds it down, getting the material off of it. Now some of you may be wondering what's in this pan. This is a little bit of material that gets underneath the mat. So when I just do my final clean out, I clean out that trough and go ahead and put it in the pan of material and pan it just to see if there's anything that got underneath there that was heavy and precious metals. So let's do a quick panning job here and we'll see if we got anything here at the end.